Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to replace the damaged heat bed with a flexible magnetic heat bed. Here's the original heat bed from Ender 3, which is damaged. So to replace the damaged heat bed, I ordered a flexible heat bed from Amazon because it was cheap and with flexible heat beds, you can easily remove the prints. Let's now replace the heat bed with a new one. To do that, first remove the damaged heat bed surface from the plate. Next, remove the glue residue from the plate using IPA. Next, separate the two layers of the flexible magnetic heat bed. And then stick the sticky layer to the plate. Once it's properly done, place the magnetic layer. Next, place the heating bed on the heating plate of Ender 3 and then secure it with clips. Next, adjust the bed height. While adjusting the bed heights, make sure you adjust the heights in all four corners and also in the center. Once everything is done properly, you should be able to print. As you can see, it is very easy to remove the prints after printing from a flexible heating bed. Hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, please like, share and subscribe with notification. Thank you for watching guys.